So this is mouth tape, and yes, I tape my mouth shut every single night before I go to bed. Sleeping properly is really important to anti-aging and looking and feeling your best. So we're gonna make a little series called Sleeping Beauty from your local 31-year-old. This is everything that I do. Starting from the top, I always sleep with a satin bonnet on my hair. It helps with frizziness, shine, and just makes your hair feel so much better in the morning when you wake up. If you haven't tried it, I really suggest it. Mine is from Amazon, and I really like it because it's not too tight, not too loose, so it doesn't hug, but it doesn't fall off either. Next up, I do use a silk eye mask as well. I know I have satin on my hair because I can't really feel it, but on my face, anything that touches it, I really prefer silk, including my pillowcase. So these are from Blissy. They're really good quality. You can wash them, you can do all sorts of things, but they are so important, especially for that sensitive skin around your eyes. You put this on and that's safe even if you roll onto your side. Now we're getting into the exciting stuff. So the patches that you see on my face are from They're silicone patches. They help fill in any fine lines and really moisturize your skin. You can get them for your face, your neck, or your chest, but pro tip, if you want to save a little money, get the chest one because it's huge and then you can cut it to size. I put them anywhere that I feel like I need a little bit of extra support, so often around my smile lines or right in the middle of my forehead, and you can reuse them. So I love those and I've been wearing them for a really long time now. The moment we've all been waiting for, mouth tape. Taping your mouth shut before bed is really important to your breathing, to your face structure, if you can imagine that. I'm gonna make a whole entire video on it, but I get mine specifically on Amazon. If you look up mouth tape though, you're gonna see a whole bunch of X-shaped ones, which I really can't stand. I like this one because you can cut it to any size and you can reuse it a bunch of times. It doesn't break you out around the mouth. I really, really like it, and it has completely transformed my sleep when I started using it. I know it seems like a lot, but I feel like I really have my bases covered here. If you have anything else that you use before bed, let a girl know because I will do it. I hope this was fun and helpful. Follow for more.